Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We are Kumar and Kumar Interior, and today we are showcasing you a 4 BHK flat in Kandivali Lokhandwala, and we have done a turnkey project plus civil work.
ये जो प्रोजेक्ट मैंने किया है ना 5 महीने में, ये मैं जब भी कोई प्रोजेक्ट किया हूँ तो 8 से 9 महीना लगता है हमें, पर 5 महीने में मुझे लगता है ना ये चित्रलेखा जी का कृपा है या ऊपर वाले को कोई कृपा है जो मैंने ये 5 महीने में कर पाया। और 5 महीने में सैटरडे संडे दशहरा दिवाली सब कुछ था, पकड़ के चलेंगे ना ऑलमोस्ट ये 120 दिन 4 महीना टोटल में ये काम हुआ है। लेकिन ये चित्रलेखा जी का ही कोई कमाल है जो मैंने कर पाया है काम।
So let's begin with the entrance. This is the wallpaper of auspicious Gau Mata. It is considered auspicious as while entering and exiting the house, seeing her and with her baby, it is considered to be auspicious. It is considered as good luck. So that's why we have given this wallpaper. And moving forward, we have our sandwich door or the double door. As you have seen on our Instagram reel, this has crossed over 17 million views. It is famous and it got so many views because it has a lot of advantage in the space like this. As we see this door, we do not have a lot of space here for door to open outside. That's why we have taken the door to open inside. This also advantage us to use it during the festivals in making rangolis or putting torans over here. So this is the advantage of this door. So this opens. So as we come inside, you can see the main door is attached to the safety door, and this sandwich door opens up and gives a lot of space to us, and you can see these grills can help us get more air from the outside. So as we enter in the foyer area, you can see this shoe rack is push magnet, and it is used on both the side, as you can see here. And there is also a space for sitting where you can wear your shoes and you can use your equipments from here. You can take your polish and your brush from here, and you can simply push it inside. This is a soft close door and a drawer. So this is the profile mirror replicating the molding of the shoe cabinet. And as you can see here, there is also a small mirror here in which you can check out your outfit and your shoes while leaving your house. And when we come ahead, you can see a key space over here. It is also a push magnet. You can keep your keys in the key holder, and this creates a small space when you can hide your keys. Here is the electrical area where you can hide your electrical units. Same goes here. So as you can see here, we have taken console with sink over here, and you can see we have taken mirror, and that is also a sliding mirror. As you can see, there is a window behind it, and that is not that tidy. So we have taken this sliding mirror over here because it beautifies the space and make it look aesthetic over here. So here we can see it is the 8-seater dining table over here, and in the back you can see that there is a HDMR MDF panel which we have done a digital core cutting, and there we have done a pure finish. And the reason we have chosen the white finish because it contrasts with the wooden color here. And you can see a chandelier over here. So the chandelier is used for the light and to beautify the dining area. So now when we move here, you can see 3 mirrors over here. The reason why we are using mirror over here is because mirror also gives us advantage to make the look space bigger. So it creates an illusion that you have a bigger space over here. There is also an advantage of using this mirror. The advantage is while doing yoga or while doing a dance practice, you can look at yourself and you can do the yoga or any other practice that you want to do. As you can see, the TV area we have, it is very huge. You can see here is the 100-inch TV over here. And the reason we have taken so many seatings over here is due to when the family is binge watching a series or watching a movie together, we need lot of space over here. So there's a 3-seater sofa, 2-seater sofa along with 2 chairs and a center table where you can enjoy your snacks. So here you can see the mandir or the temple, and you can see we have a very beautiful peacock horn made over here. This peacock horn is made of mother pearl, and this mother pearl is inserted into the Korean sheet. This Korean white sheet makes this temple look very beautiful. So this is the Korean pillar over here, and this Korean pillar we have used to make a look of a temple, and this is the Kangri design over here. And as you can see, we have also inserted 2 bells over here. So this will give spiritual look into the temple. As you can see, I've taken this area above. We can use this area for prayers and everything. We can also give bhog over here. And also one advantage is when you push this, nothing falls down. And while closing it, it's very simple. You just have to take it down and just close it. So we can see there is a soft close drawer over here and a door as well. So this is the balcony area. As you can see, there is a division between this. So there was a window over here. We shifted the window outside and we took this whole balcony inside the living room, creating a bigger space. So this is the sofa, a coffee table and a swing, and a very cute hanging plants. So this is the balcony curtain, and as you open you can see the window and you can have a look of the balcony over here. And to have more privacy between the living room and the balcony, we have a separator, a roller blind. So we are entering master bedroom now. So this is a very luxurious master bedroom. We have a bed and we have made a headboard and the wallpaper connected to it. This makes it connected to the aesthetic of the bedroom. So the bed is very comfortable and we have a side table along with it. So this is the wardrobe. This wardrobe is planned according to the husband's space and the wife's space, and this space is designed to keep your artifacts, or in the future purpose you can keep your computer or a TV here as well. And what we have done is we have a lower storage over here. You can keep your shoes and everything here. And what we did is we have made a space to hang our clothes over here. You can hang your used clothes, you can keep your clothes that you wear every day. The purpose to make this is to make your wardrobe clean and keep all your daily use clothes over here. So this is our study table, and you can see we have made a very spacious space over here, and you have all the electric connections over here. You can charge your laptop. So this drawer is soundproof and soft close as well. And this is an open space where you can keep your books or you can keep your certificate or medal over here to display. And we have used a light so that it glorifies your storage. So this is your dressing table. You also have your storage over here. You can put your luxury items or a daily precious item over here. And here we have a mirror. You can sit here and do your beauty routines, and you can keep all your beauty products over here and store it inside. And this is the master washroom. So this is the walk-in wardrobe. Let's first visit the bedroom. So this is the daughter's bedroom. So this bedroom is 15 by 10 feet, and when you enter inside you see a hydraulic bed here. Hydraulic bed is usually made for getting more storage, and it is very efficient for the elders want to use and for the children as well. We have an attached side table on both the side, and you can see here there's a very cute and beautiful light over here, and we are using here a leather finish. So usually what people do is they use velvet material that is not very cost efficient and it is not washable. In leather what we can do is we can wash it. It is very cost efficient and it is very durable. And above that we have a wooden frame over it. This makes it very vibrant, and above you can see a very natural wallpaper that we have used, and something that is matching to the nature. We have our hanging light. So there are two curtains here. There is a sheen curtain and a blackout curtain. So this we have thought according to the daylight and the night light. What we decided was कि when the client needs a natural light, they will use these sheer curtains, and when they do not want the daylight or the natural light, they'll just close it and they'll have a proper blank out from the nature's light. Moving forward, so here is the storage. So the client wanted a refrigerator over here, so we have designed a very cute space over here and including the soft close drawers. So this is the study table, and we have designed a very spacious space here. What we usually do is we can do all our work over here. We have all our equipments around here. This is soft close and soundproof as well. Here what we have is, it is a natural display. You can display your certificate, you can display your medals and everything. And what we designed here is, there is a small space for a printer that we can hide over here. And you have maximum space over here. You can store your books, you can store your equipments or whatever required for your meeting and everything for studying purpose. And this is all soft close and soundproof. So now we'll move towards the walk-in wardrobe. So this is the wardrobe. You can see it is a very spacious wardrobe, and we have used a ceiling light to get a very proper and a detailed look in our wardrobe. And what we haven't used is a strip light. Why haven't we used a strip light? Because the strip light pressurize our eyes. So we had a very less storage over here, so we have used the overhead storage here. So this is the kitchen, and when we come here, you'll see the storage. Everything is soft close. You can check out this. You can just leave it here. Everything is soft close over here, and you see we have given wicker basket over here. We have given 3 wicker basket for fruits, vegetable, and etc. You can keep all your cutlery, plates, and everything accessories over here. And this provision is for plates and thalis. Everything is soft close over here. And this is the platform. As we had a long space, we have given this area for chopping, cutting, and we also have extra space over here. We can chop, cut, and everything. You can do kitchen work here. And this is the breakfast counter. So this is the wash basin. We have divided into 2 parts. One is for storing the plates and one is for washing them. As you see, there are different type of modes here. We can also use this by removing it, and then we can use this. This is supposed to be a servant counter, but the client's requirement was to make it a storage room. So we also added a storage. We've added a storage here. So this is also a daughter room. Once you come here, you can see a hydraulic bed over here, and there's a headboard which matches to the tone of the bedroom. And we have taken a very sweet corner using the mirror and a dressing table over here. And the curtains are matching to the colors of the bed and the design over here. So we have also made a storage. These drawers are also soft close and soundproof. And the plain glass here is used to show your luxury items or your light items over here. You can display it here. And this is a wardrobe. As you see, there's a plain glass which also allows you to see your clothes over here. You can showcase your neat and tidy wardrobe over here, and there are space to keep all your clothing over here. There are also glass drawers, so that you can also show and see your tidy clothes and everything. The glass here makes your room look bigger, and this also gives a very lavish and a luxury finish. So this is the Dadi room. This is the grandparents room. We have taken 2 beds over here because for the elder ones there always should be one person who care for them, and that one bed is made for a caretaker or a maid. And as you see, we have shifted the fan over here. That is because our elder one can feel hot or cold according to the weather or temperature. So that's why we have shifted the bed and the fan accordingly. So as you see, this is the TV unit, and also below that you can see a console. So the story behind completing this project in 5 months was that spiritual guru Srimati Chitralekha ji is visiting here. She is going to stay here for a Bhagavad Katha while she is doing Bhagavad Katha in Lokhandwala Kandivali, organized by Satsang Parivar. And it was totally her blessing that we have completed in 5 months. Jai Shri Krishna.
और करके हमने तैयार किया आपकी कृपा से बना बहुत